Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. As the war between Armenia and Azerbaijan rages for a fifth day, leading to several casualties, India has voiced its concern and called for a restraint between the two nations. We know that clashes have broken out between the Christian majority Armenia and Muslim majority Azerbaijan over the Nagorno Karabakh, which is internationally recognized as part of Azerbaijan but has been occupied and ruled by Armenians. We also know that India is planning to provide Armenia with four of their Swati weapon locating radar, which will help them to detect and track incoming artillery and rocket fire to determine the point of origin for counter battery fire. Not sure when these deliveries would happen, but this is some sort of help from India's side to Armenia. The news which everyone knows is that Azerbaijan has good support from Turkey and to some extent from Pakistan. And coming to Armenia, Armenia has accused Turkey of sending soldiers to back Azerbaijan. And also, based on the different sources, it looks like Turkey has dispatched Syrian fighters from jihadist group from northern Syria to help the Azerbaijan soldiers. The French President Emmanuel Macron, whose country is home to many people of Armenian ancestry, has provided its support to Armenia. He also confirmed that Syrian fighters were operating in Nagorno Karabakh, where Armenia and Azerbaijan are engaged in heavy fighting. Coming to Russia's support, looks like with the kind of atmosphere, it is possible that Russia can join the war and start attacking Turkey. Russia is with Armenia while Turkey is with the Muslim majority Azerbaijan. It is reported that Turkey and Pakistan are sending terrorists to fight on behalf of Azerbaijan, which has made Russia upset. Seeing the situation right now, it looks like there are many possibilities that both Russia and France join hands with Armenia to face Turkey. A terrible war will begin between Russia and Turkey, and the war will also be joined by other superpowers. It is a matter of concern that Russia, Turkey, France, Iran, and Israel are also in danger of being involved in this particular battle of Armenia and Azerbaijan. And that is why the whole world has started fearing that this may be the start of World War III. On the softer note, France has also said that it wants the Minsk group, which is led by Moscow, Paris, and Washington, to address this particular conflict very soon. The European Union leaders will also discuss it at the summit later this week for a peaceful solution. According to me, the Nagorno Karabakh region, for which these two countries are fighting an unwanted war and killing so many innocents and wasting so much money, all what they can do is to make it a common sharing place to visit and let both countries happily spend time there. These wars will not give any proper results, but it will just increase the grudge and cruelness. This is just my opinion, so let us not take it in another way. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.